क्या बोल रहे हैं public?
You guys already know we are Charlie's Chaps.
We are out with our 10th video. Yes, you heard it right. The 10th goddamn video.
This is the prank.
We thank you for all the love and support that you guys have been showing us because this wouldn't have been possible without you guys.
Please don't forget to hit the like button below, the subscribe button below, and don't forget to leave your comments as well.
हिंदी में ही बोल रहा हूँ, सुन लो, वीडियो देख लो, हंस लो, हल्के हो जाओ, लाइक कर दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो, सब कुछ कर दो यार. प्लीज. एक काम है, ठीक है, मैं दोपहर को जो खाया ना, वो आप मेरे को बता सकते हो मैं क्या खाया?
वो तो कैसा बात?
मैं आपको हिंट दूंगा, ठीक है? ये देखो. वॉशरूम कहाँ मिलेगा?
वॉशरूम.
और भैया खाना खाया आपने? खाना खाया? पेट खराब है मेरा, मैं भी खाना खाया. पेट खराब है थोड़ा. आओ भाई.
Do you guys have any clue where the washroom is by any chance? I'm so sorry about that.
Here, for rice and sambar we get. Bro, can you just check if it's the same smell?
Chole kulcha if you eat, that's all. लेकिन जो छोले थे ना वो कल रात को नहीं भिगाए इसलिए ऐसे ऐसे इतना सुकून मिला ही नहीं सर. When you are next to me, more gas is coming, sir.
Excuse me, do you people know where the washroom is here? I've been searching for a long time. Nearby, is it? Sorry.
मैं क्या खाया बोलो? क्या खाया? स्मेल नहीं आया?
इधर वॉशरूम कहाँ पे होता है?
अंदर नहीं है.
अंदर नहीं है. Side. Sorry. Shouldn't have this dal chana, sir. Correct, no, sir. Dal chana.
Where is washroom? Your smell is good. Your smell is good. What did I eat?